Hey guys, it's me, Shadow Boy, with my friend Sam right here.
Hello.
Anyways, we are going to check out this construction site next to my house. Oh my goodness, it's a porta potty! Smells like poop or crap, yeah. This is Sparta! Ah!
Are you sure we go over here?
Of course not.
I hate dogs.
Yeah, they get annoying. Oh, must. I'm gonna climb on that. I must climb on this thing. Sam, hold the camera. Ollie, try not to fall. No, it's probably going this side.
Be careful.
I'm always careful. Falls off. My stand. T-pose time. Ugh. You know, I'm just gonna get down. My heart is like racing.
He's gonna get down since he saw a wood that was almost gonna break. Do a loud screeching.
I think there's a bigger one that I should probably climb on over here. We're not really supposed to be here. Give me the camera.
Then why are we in here?
Just because we can.
But you said that we can.
I'm pretty sure there's nail. I remember being here, and there's nails over there that look like swords. Look like tiny little swords. Okay, they're still there. Look. Thing looks like a mini sword. Let me get the camera.
It does.
It's like a mini sword.
Hiya, hi.
I put it on here so I can show. It's like a mini sword.
You should do it in a song.
We're obviously not going to take the road to get down to over there. We're going to go over here. Come on, Sam. I don't know how to parkour with the camera in my hand.
I can.
Oh. Oh. That was hilarious. I didn't mean to. I flipped the camera. I flipped the camera when I did it. Oh my. They're probably going to hate me for this. Let's just remember not to do this. I'm just not going to do that again. Thought that thing was secure. I knew I was going to fall. Go on, Sam. Not much of a fall. Okay.
I'm not gonna get down. Here.
That's not that bad.
I wanna get.
You're not gonna get in the hospital. Just come on down. It's not that bad. Then take the road. There's a cool pathway over here. Anyways. I know I'm just following my gut. Ooh, glass. I want to find a glass bottle. This cup. Oh my gosh, Skittles. If I find a Skittle, I'm going to eat it. Okay. Oh my goodness. I found a Skittle. Yep. There's a Skittle. I can't hear what you guys are saying because this is just a recording video. Probably gonna eat it right now. So I'll eat it. Okay, here it is. tastes like it's been there for a day or two. It's pretty nasty though. Just good old nastiness flavor. I swear I won't spit it out. I'll even prove it. There. I swallowed it. Oh! Let me flip this around. See anything? Dirt. Hey, do you think we should build a fort?
Out of boxes?
No. What they got here.
What they got here, they don't let us use it.
Who cares? I almost do it all the Oh my god!
Yeah.
I love this stuff. It's a wig. Anyways,
Hey, it's not wiggly.
I'm gonna end this video here, and I'm probably gonna do another video on the fort we made, and I'll show you all the little kinks on it. So Sam, come here. And this is me and Sam out.